Hi everyone, in this video I'd like to show you my physical analog of a 4D 2x2x1x1 puzzle. Okay, so this is how the 2x2x1x1 looks like in the MPU program. As you can see, we have 4 big cells 2x2x1 and 4 smaller ones 2x1x1, and the available moves are rotating the smaller cells on this axis or around this axis. Okay, so on my physical analog, I have represented the smaller cells by these small stickers on the sides of pieces, and the big ones with the outer stickers that form some kind of ring. And how the moves look like, we can rotate a side, which is two pieces around like this right in axis, like this, or this axis, like right front, like this. And so let me show you an example solve. So let me do some random turns. So the first thing I solve is these small stickers. So I will match this orange with orange and green with green, like this. And now we have to match this outer stickers. So for example, I would choose to have purple inside, so I will find purple on this piece and move it to the center. And now we just have to align this cell like this, and the puzzle is solved. And a fun fact about this puzzle that I found out is that the God's number for this puzzle is 3 moves. So from any scramble you can solve it in 3 moves. And why? Because the first we can go with the small stickers is like opposite swap, so it's like Y perm, these two pieces swaps. And while we will do this 3 moves to solve the cube, we can always align those outer rings. Let me show you. So I'll do just random turns. And we'll make the opposite swap in the small stickers like this. So first move will be like this. The second is aligning green, for example, and now we are moving this cell, so also we can align this ring to this. So this is still 2 moves, and now in our third move we match this orange and red, and we also can now align these 2 cells in one move, in the same move. So puzzle always can be solved in 3 moves. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next one.